All right, friends, today we are in the middle of a kitchen remodel. So we're using the Blackstone griddle and making ourselves a mac and cheese bacon burger. Let me show you how we do things. All right, folks, we're gonna put a little bacon here on that Blackstone. We're gonna use this for our burger this evening. So we're gonna, I got some center cut bacon here. And what I'm going to do is once I get that bacon settled on there, we are going to top it off with a little bit of Meat Church Honey Hog Hot here. I just think that gives that bacon just a little bit of extra flavor. All right, so we'll get this going, get that bacon nice and crispy. As I said, using some things this evening in the refrigerator that I have. So we're going to use some Panera mac and cheese. I'm actually going to warm it up over here on the side in a little pan, and we'll put that on top of our burger. All right, so let's take a look and see how those buns looking, toasted. Oh yeah, friends, perfect. That Duke's mayo is perfect every time. Let me get these ready to go. All right, friends, so I got some pre-made patties at the store. Once again, kitchen remodel. I don't have time to do everything today. I'm trying to make this fast and easy. So let's get those patties on there. And what we're gonna do is, at least to give them a little bit of seasoning, is I'm gonna hit them with a little bit of Meat Church. Holy cow. And we'll hit the other side when we flip that burger over as well. I'm gonna make these hopefully about medium. All right, friends, it's time to start building our burger based on the ingredients I had around the house today. So let's get started. So we're gonna start with the bottom of that toasted bun. And I have a jar of Lucky Lola's sweet jalapeno heat. So I'm gonna take a spoonful of that, my friends, and I'm actually gonna put that on the bottom of that bun. So instead of using jalapenos, this is more like almost like a jelly consistency. Once again, I'm just winging it today and showing it to you guys. So there we go. We'll put that on there, and then we'll put that burger patty on there next. Oh yeah, look at that, perfectly done. I'm gonna throw that patty on there, and then we're going to go ahead and throw couple pieces of bacon across the top here. We'll go ahead and crisscross that bacon, and then grab ourselves a spoon of that nice warm mac and cheese. Place it right on there as well. And that mac and cheese is definitely going to run off. That's okay. Oh yeah, my friends. Look at that. And then we're gonna come back and hit it with just a little bit more of that Meat Church Honey Hog Hot across the top. And we'll top it off with that toasted bun. And there you go, my friends. We're going mac and cheese bacon burger with a little bit of jalapeno heat on the bottom. You know, winging it on a Monday night here in March on the Blackstone. We hope you enjoy this recipe. We'll see you guys again on Bones and Brews.